Welcome
to
to
the
Philippines.
Dapat ito mo narao. Nagbawag ka raok na. You're so peaceful watching them.
I know. I bet I could just grab one of them. Alright, I don't wanna.
Okay, breakfast time in Philippines. In the province, we're gonna cook egg, but we no more egg. So, we're gonna get egg. Fresh from the farm. Okay, guys. Look at that chicken over there. So, this is where the chicken lay eggs. Oh, this one right there. This is how we gonna the chicken. Oh, they get 4 or 6, 5. Yeah, cuma ka.
My bad.
5 tatay, 5. Ibatik yung may isa. So we're gonna leave 1 so that the hen not gonna get mad at us. Okay?
I
Okay.
thought you said you're gonna leave one. I thought there was 4.
No, 5. I leave the other one over there. Okay. What about this? Oh, there's somebody over there. Oh, the other one is still laying eggs. See? That's the mother hen right there. Still laying eggs.
You got 4 eggs. These are natural.
4 small.
Yeah. They're tiny.
Eggs. Yeah, small eggs.
Yeah, they're plentiful too.
So
It's so orange.
orange because it's organic. Eggs, free range, and everything. They're a bit small though.
It's okay.
Okay. Did you guys ever try instant coffee with chocolate? Right there. The first time, right there. Choco coffee mix. Smooth and chocolate coffee. It's actually good. You wanna try, Marjorie? Choco chocolate mix,
Okay.
I think I'm good.
coffee.
Give me my food.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is how we drink coffee.
Where's your share? What?
I like the coconut.
Is it hot?
No, let me know. Okay. Slowly.
You speak louder. You speak louder.
Hot. Tastes like chocolate.
I know, yeah, it's good coffee and chocolate.
It's an 8 out of 10.
Huh?
Really?
8 out of
Why are you reading
8
like
out
that?
of 10.
Mm.
Now we're gonna go to the farm.
But
Oh, look at this. Look at this dragon fruit. It's a lot. Ah, look at this.
Okay, so which way?
Over here. Look, the corn.
Oh,
And oh, look at this. There's a good vegetable, string beans,
Otong.
otong. Look at that, there's a lot. And okra. Oh, look at this, guys. All the way down there. Come on, we're gonna follow them. So this is how the dragon fruit over here in the province grow. Look at that. Oh, they're big. They grow 'em right next to the moringa tree or malunggay tree. See? Look at that. Oh, they're big. The dragon fruit. So what time now? It's around 7 o'clock, I think, in the morning here in the province
6.
and the farm. Oh, what happened to this dragon fruit? They got burned?
I don't know.
Look, their leaves got tortured. I think they got burned, but their fruit is still good and big. No, look, the insect and that thing eat it.
I see
there's
them.
some-
Go, go, go.
Oh, look at that.
I smell chicken.
Oh, cow poop.
That's cow poop?
Okay, guys, this is our kubo. What is kubo means in English?
I don't know.
Okay, let us know. What is kubo? See, nice. So I think they bought this or built it. Nice. Oh, they planted corn already. Oh, look at the carabao. More dragon fruit. Welcome to Philippines, Carabao.
I don't.
Sus Mario, sir.
Cause he wanted to say hi to the vlog.
Yeah, he literally came next to Dad.
What are you talking about?
Oh, nothing.
He wanted to say hi. Okay guys, there's a tricycle coming, so we gotta get out of the way. Hello. Okay, we're gonna check out the goats.
The goat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see
goat.
what they're doing over here.
There's goat over here.
So, welcome our subscribers and followers.
Viewers.
Yes, from Martinez Fam YouTube channel or Martinez Fam Facebook page. We're here at the province right now in Philippines. Okay, there's the goat right there. Black one.
Ew!
Hurry, hold this. I'm gonna help my knife.
Look at that.
Bro,
All around the farm.
brother just gave me a dragon fruit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah? Dragon fruit. See that? Fresh dragon fruit from the dragon fruit tree. Oh, look at the mountain over there.
Whoa.
It's foggy. See that, guys? The mountains, foggy. This is grandpa and grandma over there. They're taking care of the animals.
Even, brother.
Yeah. So this is their livestock: goat, carabao, and cow on that side.
There's also wild chicken over there.
I know. It's a lot of wild chickens. No, it's not wild because that's their livestock. They feed them every morning and every evening. So get more goats on that side. All around. Oh, those are a lot of cows over
What
there.
is that?
Oh, this one, what is this?
Yeah.
This is manure. This is cow's poop. They're making it up as a fertilizer. See that? They're using this to fertilize the corn, whatever, vegetables. They mix it with the soil.
Oh.
See, if in US, in Hawaii, we buy. Over here is they make their own fertilizer, so that's why it stinks.
I can smell it.
Yeah.
Is this only day one of going to the Philippines?
This is really day one. So yeah, day one today. So we're just gonna enjoy and rest, I guess, and then we're gonna adapt. You know, the time zone, the weather. So we're still gonna adjust. So we're gonna relax in day one and stay here at the farm for a while. Then we're gonna go out, whatever. Oh, that manure is so stinks.
I can smell it.
Is it, or that's your mouth?
No, no.
Okay, let's go. So yeah, this is it's more like a compound of your mom's Marjorie. It's a compound over here. So all the houses are here are relatives. My brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, another brother-in-law house over there. So it's more like a compound over here. So yeah, look, they have corn. More dragon fruit over there that side.
Yeah. I think the Carabao likes you, Dad,
Why?
because it came to you 2 times.
I know. That, oh no. This is the Carabao that Tatay want to. You ask Tatay
Oh,
if
no, is this the one
yeah.
I'm gonna kill?
Can you ask Tatay?
I can't.
Go ask Tatay if it's not the one.
But I can't. I
Why?
don't speak Filipino.
No, ask him. He understand.
I like that Carabao.
Apay Tatay iso da ya je partinyo. Iso da ya je partinyo nga noang. Oh. Tatay said that's the one we gonna barbecue.
Oh, I guess the one that likes you is gonna die, and you're gonna eat its flesh.
Yeah. What about the cow over there? Go, let's check the cow. So this vlog right now is continuous. We're not gonna edit or cut. So yeah, look the cow, guys. It's eating the corn.
It's a fat one.
See. They're eating the corn directly right there. That's why the cows over here, they're fat. They have lean meat because they're eating grass, corn. See that?
Don't get too close, it might numb your GoPro. Okay, should we go back?
Okay, let's go. So how's this is it's just a little tour of the farm right here. So what do you think after 4 years?
It's like I remember it, except this place. And I think I remember that this place too, but it's nice. It grew out as a good compound.
More chicken. See how the chicken over here, that's why it's free range. They just eat whatever in there. That's why it tastes good. All right guys, that's the little tour of the farm here. So we're just gonna enjoy the day. And
That's the finish of day 1.
yeah, day 1. So we'll see you later.
On to day 2.
Yeah, aloha, mahalo from the province of Rosario, La Union, Philippines. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
That's what it takes.